If the Sightline strip on your SteelTrak or Excalibur is worn out, this is how you replace it. The Sightline strip is in two sections, with a gap between them at a comfortable working height, to give space to engage the twin wheel cutting head. First, remove both original Sightline strips from the clamp bar. They are held in place by a self-adhesive strip and come away easily. Then clean any residue from the clamp bar with Spirit on a cloth. There must be a gap of approximately 25 centimeters or 10 inches to allow space for the twin wheel cutter. The height of this gap can be adjusted to suit the operator. Measure the length of the strip and cut with scissors. Then cut the end diagonally. Peel off the backing from the new Sightline strip and fix it to the edge of the clamp bar. The recessed edge allows for easy application. For best results, you should start from the bottom and work your way up. Repeat this process with the upper strip, starting from the top and working down. You will need a length of PVC foam board or similar material to support the Sightline strip when it is trimmed. This should be 5 to 10 millimeters thick, roughly 1/4 inch. Place the board under the Sightline strip so it comes into contact with the edge of the clamp bar, but not under the clamp bar itself. This is important so that when the clamp is closed, the Sightline strip is pressed flat against the surface of the board and can be trimmed exactly to the right size. Adjust the blade support plates so they are fully forward to keep the cutting blade as straight as possible. Then disengage the ratchet so you can cut with just finger pressure and close the safety guard. Gradually trim the Sightline strip with 3 or 4 light pressure cutting strokes. Make sure you're gentle when you cut so that you don't distort the cutting line when you trim the strip. Once you have trimmed the Sightline strip, your SteelTrak or Excalibur is now ready to use.